How to fix WhatsApp verification code problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your phone number format. As in WhatsApp, go ahead and select your country code correctly and then enter a valid number, as if you enter a wrong number, then OTP will not be received. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as if not, then you will not receive the OTP, as OTP comes via SMS or call, so mobile signal is required. You can then simply wait for the code and before requesting the code again, as if you keep trying to resend the code time and again, then you will be blocked by the OTP delivery system. You will then see the option for call me. If you fail to receive the text, you can tap on the call me instead option you see there and you will get a voice call with the code. Also, make sure that your iPhone is not blocking unknown numbers and go ahead and disable spam filters temporarily. Next, you can go ahead and check your SIM card issue and ensure your SIM is active and you are able to receive SMS, and then try sending a test SMS and see if that helps. If not, then you can simply try to reinstall your WhatsApp application and then try verification again. Also, make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as VPNs can interfere with OTP delivery. Also, you can contact your carrier service if your issue is not fixed yet, or it simply could be that the WhatsApp server is down, so you can wait for the server to work. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp verification code problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.